and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Arlene Newman, who's the president of Careerbound Success. So Arlene, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you, Michael, for inviting me onto your podcast. I'm looking forward to this.
Sure. So, Arlene, what is Careerbound Success and what's your role in the company?
Careerbound Success is a career coaching firm that I founded 12 years ago. And as a career advisor, I work with clients who are either executives, mid-level management, or emerging professionals in all industries, giving them the strategies and the skills that they need to land new, exciting jobs. And what that really means is I'm working with them on resumes, LinkedIn, and interviews. And to give you a little bit about my background, what differentiates me from other career coaches is that I was the head of human resources for companies in various industries. And as such, I've hired hundreds of employees myself and know firsthand what hiring managers are looking for in successful candidates, which has been very valuable for my clients.
I'm sure it is. And Arlene, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
Many of my clients are going through divorce. And many of my clients, especially women who have given up their careers while they're raising a family, need to get back into the workforce. And often, individuals don't realize the skill sets they have, which are important when going back to work. So for example, I worked with someone, and we'll call her Sarah. And Sarah had been out of work for 30 years. And she said to me, Arlene, it's not fair. I went to college. I have a degree in fine arts. I haven't worked for 30 years and I have no skills. And so I asked Sarah what she's been doing. And she said, well, I flipped 13 homes in 30 years. And she still thought she didn't have any skills. And what that really meant was she was using strategic planning, she was using project management, she was collaborating with construction people and architects because she would find homes that were in excellent locations but needed improvement. And so she would be collaborating with architects as well. So Sarah really did have a business. When we went to create her resume, which I do with areas of expertise, we were able to include those areas of expertise, strategic planning, project management, et cetera, and actually came up with 12 different areas of expertise. And she had an outstanding resume.
So what would be the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
Well, I think there would be four best ways. One is to go onto my website, careerboundsuccess.com. Another would be to link with me, Arlene Newman, at LinkedIn. Third way would be my email, which is Newman, and Newman is spelled Newman, at careerboundsuccess.com. And the fourth way is to simply pick up the phone and call me at 917-520-9656.
Perfect. So, Arlene Newman, we have now come to the most important part of our show. And that happens to be the question of the week. So, Arlene Newman, this is your question of the week. If you were able to throw a party and money and location was not an issue, what kind of party would you throw and where would it take place?
That's a great question. I would throw a party for 100 clients and colleagues on a yacht
Mm.
in the Hamptons. We would cruise up and down the canals, getting to know each other and sharing stories of success.
Wow. I hope I'm one of those guests. And Arlene Newman, that's a great answer. And you have said it all. You are helping people transition from one job to the next. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Free.
And Michael, thank you for inviting me. This was very enjoyable.